Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. So the first update, Realme Neo 7X with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC and 6000 mAh battery launched. Realme Neo 7 SE with MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Max SoC and 7000 mAh battery launched. Nothing Phone 3a design revealed ahead of March 4 launch. Nothing Phone 3a comes equipped with a glimpse interface surrounding the camera module. So the Nothing Phone 3a design revealed ahead of March 4 launch. Adobe Photoshop app for iPhone with Firefly powered generative fill announced. So Adobe Photoshop app for iPhone with Firefly powered generative fill announced. With the free plan, users get 5 GB of cloud storage to store their edits on the Photoshop for iOS app. Google Pixel 9a to be available at the same price point as its predecessor. Vivo T4x 5G rear panel design teased ahead of upcoming launch. Vivo T4x 5G rear panel design teased ahead of upcoming launch. WhatsApp developing UPI Lite functionality for quick low-value transactions. Samsung display patent hints at a trifold phone with 2 hinges S Pen support. Asus ROG Flow Z13 2025 with 13.4-inch 2.5K display and up to Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 CPU launched. Realme Buds Air 7 with up to 52 hours battery life launched. Google rolling out video transcripts feature for Google Drive to let users view and search captions. Samsung Galaxy M16 and Galaxy M06 5G launch date set for February 27. Microsoft testing a free ad-supported version of Microsoft 365 desktop apps. Realme Neo 7X with Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 SoC and 6000 mAh battery launched. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold set to be in development could debut alongside Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold set to be in development and could debut alongside Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Realme Neo 7 SE with MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Max SoC and 7000 mAh battery launched. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.